There may be times when you want to ask questions in a doc or get feedback on a topic with the people that you're collaborating with, whether that's students or staff. A good example of this might be in a student assignment that you might want to highlight something that they've written and insert a comment asking more questions about what it is that they've written or giving them suggestions about something to change. In a doc that you're sharing with a colleague, you may want to get feedback from them about something that you've written, or you may want to ask questions about something that they've written in a doc. So let's say in this document right here, I might want to highlight 2 types of trees in Minnesota, and I may want to insert a comment. I can do that by coming over here and clicking on this icon, or I can go to Insert and I can go down to Comment and click on that. This will then give me a little box over here on the side. You notice how it highlights it in yellow now. And then it adds this little comment box right on the side with my name. So I can ask a question here. Are there more than 2 types? And I can click comments, and it will just add that right at the side on my document, and I can see here whatever's highlighted in yellow is what this comment is about. Now let's say that someone I'm collaborating with might answer that question. And I can see once they do, their comment is added at the side here as well. Now I can click back on that again, and I could edit my original question and change that a little bit, or I could just reply to this user who has given me some feedback. And I might say, are you sure? What about invasive species? And again, I can click on reply, and it will add that comment. And if I need to edit something, I can click edit. If I want to delete my last comment, I can click delete right there. And if I'm sure I want to delete, I can remove it. Alright, now let's say that this question has been answered. So I could mark this as resolved, and it gets rid of the highlighting and it takes away the comment bubbles. But maybe later on, especially if this was a student assignment, and I wanted to see what suggestions did I give the student as the teacher, and did they follow up on those suggestions and change anything about their assignment, I can come right back up here to this comments button and click that, and I can see all of the comments that were made on this document, even if they've been marked as resolved or deleted and removed. The other thing that I can do here is I can click on notifications, and this will send me an email every time that someone comments on this document. Now I can set this for myself as I want to receive an email every time that someone makes a comment on this document, or only if they're actually replying to my comments. Or I might not want any emails at all letting me know about comments. So you can set that for what sort of notifications you want to receive about the document.